Are you looking for the best hyaluronic acid serum in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hyaluronic acid serum that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, L'Oreal Paris Skincare Daily Liquid, Oil-Free Moisturizer for Skin, with Hyaluronic, 3.04 fluid ounces. This is a unique moisturizer that is water-based and suited for both dry and natural skins. If you are worried that your sensitive skin might be ruined by this moisturizer, you do not have to worry anymore. This is because it has been approved by dermatologists for safety. At number 4, Neutrogena Hyaluronic Acid for the extra dry skins, 1.7 ounces. Are you stressing yourself over your dry skin and wondering how to restore your natural skin? Worry no more, since the Neutrogena acid has got you covered. This is a known barrier to moisture loss. The gel will act as a sponge for the dry skins. It is fragrance-free, implying that it will be ideal for everyone. At number 3, Yves Rocher Hydra 48H Moisturizing Gel, 1.6 fluid ounces. This is a 24 hours gel that is going to restore your original skin beauty without causing any side effects. The gel is known for skin rejuvenation as well as for offering long-lasting results. It has been tested and guaranteed to be safe by dermatologists. You, therefore, have every reason to purchase this gel. At number 2, Fishy Mineral 89 Skin Booster and Moisturizer. If you are looking for an affordable way to restore your skin's beauty, we bet that this is the perfect way to do so. Other than being affordably priced, you will enjoy the fact that it has been made with quality ingredients for the safety of your skin. The gel has been approved by dermatologists that it will not cause any allergies. At number 1, Bulgarian Rose Organic Toner from Altea Organics. This is yet another gel that will bring your desired results to your skin. It employs quality ingredients that are safe for your skin. The gel has been USDA certified, which implies that no side effects will be experienced with this product. What's more, it has been made for all types of skins. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.